Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the basic Sketchup. So Sketchup, it is a 3D modeling program for drawing, architecture drawing such as interior design, landscaping, architecture, civil, and mechanical. So here we can see our SketchUp working space. We have here the menu, and these are the toolbars. And here we have the status bar, and we have the measurement. How do we navigate in our 3D modeling? So in navigating in our 3D workspace, the middle mouse button for the zoom in and zoom out, and also to activate the orbit command. And we also use the left click when we use the pan command. Let me show you. So this is the mouse that I'm using. This is the middle wheel or the middle mouse wheel, and we have the left click and the right click. So example, if we want to zoom in our 3D workspace, move forward the mouse wheel. This is to zoom in, and to zoom out, we will move the mouse wheel backward. Okay. To zoom in, move the mouse wheel forward, and to zoom out, move the mouse wheel backward. If we want to activate the orbit, so we can select here and then press and hold the left click, or we can press and hold our mouse wheel, middle mouse wheel, to activate the orbit command. So we press and hold, then we can now move our workspace. And release, then we will go back to the select mode. So this is the select mode. Next, if we will use the pan command, so we'll select the pan command, and then we will press and hold the left click. So this is the left click, press and hold the left click, and then move the mouse to the direction we want. So this is how we navigate in the SketchUp 3D workspace. So we use the middle mouse for the zoom in, zoom out, and also to activate the orbit command. And for the pan command, we will use the left click, press and hold the left click. Okay, so next, the toolbars. So first we have the eraser tools, then second we have the line tools. So under the line tools, we also have the freehand. So we select the line tools, then we can see a pencil. This is the global axis line, wherein we can see we have the green color, the red, and the blue. So the green color represents the y-axis, the red color represents the x-axis, and the blue represents the z-axis. So every time we are going to draw, we will base, let's say we draw a line. So if we want to draw the line upward or in the z-axis, so it says here select the start point. So let's say this is our start point. If we want to use the z-axis, so we can see that our line is in align with the z-axis. We can see the blue color. We want it to align in the y-axis. We see that it will turn into green, so meaning this is now aligned in the y-axis. The green color represents the y-axis. Also the same, we want to align it in the x-axis. If we see the line is turned into red, so meaning this line now is aligned in the x-axis. The red color represents the x-axis. Another one is, if we're going to press and hold the shift key, you can see now our line is in the constrained mode. So meaning, even if we will move our pencil into other direction, our line is in the direction of the y-axis. Let me show you how. I will draw a line. And then I will press and hold the shift key. Then we can see the line now, it will turn into bold. So meaning this is now in a constraint mode. Even though I will move the line command into another direction, the line still remain into the green line, into the y-axis. So let's say we will give the length is 1, enter, and then again x-axis, press and hold the shift key to activate the constraint on line. I will give it the value of 1, and then downward, and we will close our line. To get out of the line command, press the space bar to get out of the command. Another one is we have the prehand. So in the prehand, once we activate the prehand command, press and hold the left key. So we can now use the prehand. Okay. Next, we have the three types of arc and pipe. So let's do first the arc. So it says here, select the center point. So let's say this is our center. And then we can change the segment, or we can give the radius. Okay. So let's say the radius is 2. And then we can now give the angle. Okay. So as you can see here, we can give the angle. So let's say angle 45. So this is now at angle 45. Okay. So next we have the arc with 2 points. Select start point. So let's say here, and then our second point, then going up or going down at the y-axis. Okay. So let's say, so we can also draw an arc with respect to the z-axis. Okay. So arc. So first point. Okay. In the axis, as you can see, our line now is aligned with the x-axis because we can see the red color. Second point and upward. So this is now aligned in the z-axis. Then spacebar to get out of the command. So this is now our arc with respect to the z-axis. So another one, we have the 3 points. So 3 points, says here, start point. So let's say this is our first point, second point, and our third point. So let's draw it based on the x. Okay, again, 3 points, first point, second point, and the last point. Let's say here. Or we can give the angle. Right now the angle is 270 degree. This is at 270. Okay, so again, first point, let's say second point, and then we can give the angle 220. So this is at the angle 220. So next we have the rectangle, rotated angle, circle, and polygon. So let me delete this. Let's draw first the rectangle. So select the first corner, say this is our first corner. So then we can give the dimension. My dimension 8 by 10, 8, comma 10, there. So this is now 8 by 10 rectangle. Okay, next we will use the rotated rectangle. This is our first corner. Then select second corner, or we can give a distance. So let's say the distance of 4. We have now the width and the angle. So let's say our width will be 3, then comma, our angle will be 45. Enter. So this is now at angle 45. Then the width, then this is the length, and this is the width. Okay, so this is how to use the rotated angle. Okay, so next we have the circle, center point, and then we can give the radius. So let's say the radius is 1.5, 1.5, enter. Okay, so this is now a circle with a radius of 1.5. So the diameter will be 3. Then last we have the polygon. So let's select polygon, and then here it says here center point of the polygon. Okay, let me first let's draw in here. Okay, again polygon, then center point. Okay, so we have the choices of circumscribe. Okay, right now we are in the inscribe, the radius here inscribe. Okay, so let's say hold the control key. Okay, so these are now circumscribe. Again, by pressing the control key, this will change to inscribe. So as we can see, inscribe, the polygon is inside the circle. Okay, and if we select the circumscribe, press the control key, circumscribe, the polygon is outside in the circle. We'll give the radius of 2. Okay, so last one, the polygon. Okay, before we select the center, we will going to change the size of our polygon. We'll press the control key, then minus. Okay, so we can change. So if we press control minus, as you can see here, our size will be decreased. So let's say 8. So we're going to press the control key, then plus to increase our size. So 7, 8. Okay, then release. Then now we're going to select the center point. Let's say here center point. Then after that, we'll select whether we want inscribe or circumscribe. Just press the control key to change. Right now circumscribe. When I press the control key, this will now become inscribe. Then the radius, let's say 2, enter. So this is now our polygon which has an 8 size. Okay, so next we're going to use the edit or the modify or the edit command. First we have the press pull. We're going to select the press pull, and let's say it says here we will pick paste. So let's say this one. So we can pull, can give the distance. Let's say distance is 2, enter. So again, select, then just pull up, or you can pull down. Then click release. This one also, left mouse click, then move up or move down. Then again, left mouse click, release. Next we have the offset command. So we'll select the offset. Example, we want this to offset. Then left mouse click, then drag. We can give the distance. So let's say 0.50, and then we can apply the press pull. Okay, or we can do it downward. Then we have a hole in our polygon. Okay, so let's say we're going to draw a circle based on the z-axis. Let's draw a circle like this. And we're going to use the press pull. So we can pull it. Okay. Say another one circle. Center. And then again the press pull. So let's say we want to lesser it, or we want to decrease. Press pull again. Select, then move. So next we have the move command. We will make another object. Then we apply press pull. Okay. So we're going to move, but first we have to select the object to move. Then move command. Then the pick point. So let's say here. Then we can move to the y-axis or z-axis or in the x-axis. So let's say we will move here. So again, so if we select our pick point to move, and then we're going to press the control key. This will make a copy of the object. So by pressing the control key, we are going to create a copy. Okay. So again, press the control key, select the object, press the control key, then move, and this will create a copy. So we'll select this one, move command. We're going to make a copy, pick point. Okay, so going to the x-axis. Okay. Okay. So next, the rotate. Okay, so let's say I'm going to create a rectangle. Okay. Then we're going to rotate it. So select the object, click the rotate command, and then so we will choose the direction. So let's say from here. So this is our point of origin. So click the point of origin, and then this is the align of rotation. Then we're going to drag. So for the angle, so let's say 30 degree. So we'll type 30 degree. So we have rotate at 30 degree. So let's say again. So we'll rotate here. Our rotation, our align rotation, and we can move now. Okay. So let's bring it back. Okay, so from here, then click here to the end point. Okay. So next, if we will draw a line, let's say here, then we select this, select the line, press the control key, then we're going to use the rotate command. here, and the endpoint, and okay, so 90 degree. Okay, so we use the rotate command. Okay guys, so these are the basic for the SketchUp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to receive the latest video from this channel. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.